Today we are joined by a special guest who is known as an innovator in administration. He is a BTech engineer and he stood All India third rank in UPSC examinations. Currently, he is the Commissioner for Collegiate Education and Technical Education Department. Join me in welcoming Mr. Naveen Mittal, who is the Commissioner, Higher Education Department with Government of Telangana. %43% admissions increased in government colleges. What was the situation when you came in as a Commissioner of Higher Education and Technical Education?
So one thing is that if we look at this year, then we are almost 61% higher than what our number was in academic year 2017-18. When we looked at the courses in the government colleges, we found two things. One,
this is the presently we have the third national education policy. We would like to have your perception as a head of higher education in the state of Telangana.
The NEP 2020 is a very path-breaking policy. I mean, this policy has come after almost, I would say, nearly about 34 years.
Yeah. You can tell us about the COVID and post-COVID and the current COVID time we are going through, the transformation in a brief manner.
So, technology has been one of our focus areas, I would say, for last few years. We have tried to integrate technology in a big way into our education. For example,
if you can tell us in 2 or 3 pointers the transformation that we can expect in Telangana education system.
I think we are already transforming very rapidly. In terms of teaching, I see more and more content being not just developed but also curated for students, which can help in learning in a big way.
What is on the ground and is Hyderabad, Telangana global education hub?
I think Hyderabad has the potential to become a real global hub. It is already, I would say, a premier destination for
Telangana and Hyderabad are considered as the fastest growing in the IT sector after Karnataka. And the opportunities here, the investments are also coming much. What do you have to say about that?
I think in terms of growth rate, we are probably more than, in terms of growth rate,
yeah.
We are probably even faster growing than Karnataka and Bangalore also in terms of Hyderabad and Telangana. The absolute size, Bangalore and Karnataka may be bigger, but in terms of
Sir, your message to our audience, those who are aspiring to be civil, to get into UPSC?
Few things which every youngster has to keep in mind. First of all, I would say they should be very clear in their thinking. And two, I would say right planning is a must. And three is then actually working. That's, I would say, is the formula of success.
Vision, planning and execution.
Yes.